New information in the case of two missing children with connections to the Valley. Gilbert and Chandler detectives will fly to Salt Lake City to meet with the FBI about Lor Daybell. Daybell is in jail in Idaho trying to bond out. She's charged in the disappearance of her two children, JJ Vallow and Tylee Ryan. Our Claudia Rupsich was in Idaho for her initial appearance. She's back in the Valley now with what's next.
We've been speaking to bonding agents and our sources in Idaho, and we're hearing that Lor Daybell is having trouble finding a bondsman that will post that $1 million bond. They're saying they're worried about her flight risk.
Lor Daybell is still in the Madison County Women's Detention Center, where the only people who can visit her in person are attorneys and clergy. Sources tell us she's in a smaller area, though not totally isolated.
The court is going to reduce bail.
The judge last week lowered Lori's bail to $1 million. She could pay that in cash and get out, or go through a bonding agent.
Well, she was smiling when she left the courtroom, so that maybe gives you some indication on how she feels about the bond.
Josh Gardner is an attorney in Rexburg who was at Daybell's initial appearance. He says the restrictions placed on Lori's release are rare. She has to stay within 4 specific counties and has to wear an ankle monitor.
You don't see it very often around here, the use of ankle monitors, and you rarely see in 15 years of doing this, I've never seen a judge restrict travel within a 4-county area, so that's a little bit unique.
This week, detectives from Gilbert and Chandler will meet with other jurisdictions at the FBI Salt Lake City field office.
Can you tell me where your kids are?
Several agencies are investigating deaths that could be connected to Lori or her husband, Chad Daybell.
He came at me with a bat.
In July last year, Lori's brother, Alex Cox, shot and killed her ex-husband, Charles Vallow. Cox said it was self-defense. Police are still investigating.
I turned around and he hit me in the back of the head with a bat. So I went to my room and got my gun.
Alex Cox died in Chandler in December. Police said it would take about 3 months to receive autopsy results, but today said they haven't received them and they don't know when they'll come. Outside Rexburg, Idaho, just weeks before Chad and Lori got married, Chad's wife, Tammy Daybell, mysteriously died in their home. Investigators are also waiting for those autopsy results.
Lor Daybell's 2-day preliminary hearing is scheduled for next week, March 18th and 19th. The state will have to prove they have enough evidence to proceed. I'm Claudia Rupsich, ABC 15 Arizona.